Susan and I have been married for 23 years. We've always been active, doing yard work or playing sports with our sons. Due to my rheumatoid arthritis, it's been painful to wear my wedding band. Susan noticed me struggling, and that's when she remembered a friend telling her about CLIQ. CLIQ's hinged ring design opens and closes to wrap comfortably around the base of my finger without having to force it over my knuckle. So we ordered a fit kit, and a few days later, I was able to find my true finger size. Once I had my size, the process was easy. I picked a gold band that fit my style, and I'm back to doing the things I enjoy. Now I remove my ring without any pain at all, thanks to CLIQ.